Hi. So we went to Sally's. We're going to teach you guys how to do highlights at home. All you have to do is spend $45. So Courtney, do the honors.
We got the ion bleach,
Cream.
foils, mixing bowl, lavender moon toner. Now we got gloves.
And then we got all ion products. Okay, DIY highlights at home on me. We tried, but we did a couple mistakes, but now I think we know what we're doing. And we're not hairstylists. We don't really know what we're doing, but we got all professional products, so that'll help.
And we got developer.
We got 20 and 10. We come supplied. We also got these. It's kind of like Olaplex. Hopefully won't damage my hair. So this is our table. Professionals. So we got our Bright White Cream Lightener by Ion as well. So we don't really know. We're just going to put one tube in at a time and shoot for the moon. Do you want to mix it or do you want me to?
You can mix it.
Okay, so are we going to do a 1-to-1 ratio? Okay, lightener in a ratio 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. What's the difference though? I don't know.
It's stronger bleach if you do it the 1-to-1.
Should we do the 1-to-1? I don't know. Well, I guess we're going to do like 1-to-1. It'll be runnier if we do 1-to-2, I think.
So mix 1 vial into 2 ounces of bleach mixture.
Okay.
Due to the intense conditioning actives, I can't remember.
And then we're not going to make a super crazy amount, hopefully, because we'll just keep remaking it. So we got about that much cream lightener, and then we're going to use 10 because it might take her a while. So, I mean, it's got measurements on here, but, you know, so something like that. And I already spilled some, but that's to be expected. Alright. It's just because if they're thin, they'll all blend together. When you do the thick ones, any mistakes will be shown.
You say it's hard to tell.
Because technically adding that stuff in there downs the developer. So we're probably at like an 8 or a 7, I would imagine. It would be a 5, but the foil heats it up 2 more.
Just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want. Let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us.
Excellent. Oh, thank God. Okay.
Ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us. Ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets. No, no, no. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets. No, 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 no secrets. No secrets. No, 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 no secrets.
So change of plans. I can't get a hold of my husband, so my sister has to go and pick up my daughter. So now I'm going to try to do my own hair. So this isn't ideal. Put this to the side and hope for the best. Okay, hopefully that's not too bad.
Show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets. No secrets.
Okay, so now she's finally getting to the front.
Secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good.
So we took the foils out. I don't know if you can see. We're still waiting on these foils. Couple little bleeding marks. Coming along though. Moment of truth. I just washed out my hair. I didn't condition it, and obviously I still need to tone it. Okay, she's bright. Oh. Ooh. Super snarly. So we will try to brush it even though there's no conditioner in it. Trust the process. There's no conditioner, so it's really snarly.
Why didn't you put conditioner?
Because you're not supposed to when you tone it. I think it's like a 1-to-1 ratio, but I'm not 100% sure. Some of those streaks are just very in your face.
How much do you think?
That's good. I think for my whole hair. The bottom doesn't need to be toned, but you know what I mean. And then I got gloves. Wait, do you want me to do it or do you want to do it?
Okay.
But I mean, I don't know. Doesn't have to be perfect, the application, but
Tell me your thingamajiggy and
this?
yep.
Did you want me to put a dot of that other stuff in there to make you feel better?
No, it's fine.
I mean, if the bottom parts of my hair fall out, I'll just put layers in it. It's not a big deal because I didn't touch the bottom. I'm not sure if it would have been easier for me to just go get it done professionally. This took about 5 to 6 hours. Also, we were running after kids because her kids didn't have school, and then she had to leave me to finish some of the hair while she went to pick up mine from the bus. I guess we'll see. A piece of my hair fell out. It's on my phone.
There you go. It's going.
It's going. I guess we'll find out and see. Alright, so the toner's rinsed out. I wanted to be a natural blonde. Let's see what she did. Natural. It's way lighter than I expected. Put your head in here.
It is lighter.
It's pretty light.
That's good though.
Yeah.
Fun's good.
I mean, I'm just scared about all that fall when we go in to fix that little part.
Just paint it.
But we'll do a haircut. So, you know, do your own highlights at home at your own risk. Some hair might fall out. There might be just a couple spots that aren't that cute, but was it worth it? You tell me.